Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. In our today's video, I am gonna show you how you can set timer to your laptop or PC for screen off or sleep. By watching this video, you can easily set timer for your Windows to shut down. Before we start, I have a small request. Do subscribe our channel and give a like to the video. So let's start. You have to go to the settings, then go to system, go down, and here you can see power and sleep. Click here. Okay, you can see here your screen will be turned off when it is using its battery, and you can give any time of here. As I am clicking 1 hour, it means as I am using battery, my PC will turn off after 1 hour. So okay, and when plugged in, it means when you will connect your charger. Okay, I am connecting my charger. Okay, when you connect your charger, your PC will be turned off. After, select any time as you wish. Click 45. Okay, so this is how you can turn off your screen, or how you can shut down your PC. So okay, and now if you want to go your PC sleep, you just see here on battery power. It means when you will use your battery, your PC goes to sleep. After, select any of the time. Okay, I am selecting 30 minutes, and you will also set timer for your PC when your laptop is plugged in. So okay, 3 hours. So it means your PC will go to sleep after 3 hours. So this is our today's video. I hope you can set timer for your PC.